Hi, my name is Saxon Hatchett. I'm a clinical application specialist with Luminous. I have a specialization in Q-switch lasers, which are both picosecond and nanosecond. I've been working with the PiQo4 for about 4 years, and currently I'm focusing and working on the PiQo4 system. Today, I'm going to provide you with a demonstration on how to use the PiQo4 fractional system, which is part of the PiQo4 laser. Today, we're going to be discussing the PiQo4 fractional. The PiQo4 fractional is one of the many modalities that we have available with us with the PiQo4 laser by Luminous. The indications for use are for skin resurfacing, rejuvenation, skin textural changes, toning and unbalanced pigmentation, and pore size reduction. The benefits from this are, it's a non-thermal procedure that allows us to address all skin types safely. There's no need for topical anesthesia, there's no need for downtime, it's a quick treatment, and it can be used part of the treatment combination with our other treatment modalities. The PiQo4 fractional generates laser-induced optical breakdown. By doing so, there is a controlled insult that triggers the desired rejuvenation effect. Additionally, it leaves the skin intact, which allows us to foster accelerated healing. The visual clinical endpoint is a mild to moderate reddening. The slight information is intentionally created to further the collagen generation. When treating with the PiQo4, we have 6 available handpieces. For today's treatment, we're going to be using the fractional at 1064. When we come to the screen to set the settings, we set 1064. We're going to be using 800 picoseconds. After that, we're going to set our hertz rate. Our spot size is already set, and then we can adjust our fluence per patient parameter and need. Per Luminous protocol, we want to make sure that we've done a complete evaluation of the patient, that there are no contraindications, that we've cleaned the face properly, we've done a proper test spot, and there's no cosmetic makeup present. When performing the PiQo4 fractional treatment, there are several things that need to be considered. First and foremost is to obtain your desired endpoint. This will be determined on an individual basis by skin type, skin condition, and patient tolerance. Parameters for the treatment will be 1064 nanometer wavelength and 800 picoseconds. Considerations for treatment should be to maintain a perpendicular position of the handpiece with consistent slight contact with the skin. Treatment should be done using a basket weave pattern, alternating direction after each pass. When the fractional treatment is done, it's very important that we maintain a strict regimen of sunscreen to protect against the sun and the actual pigmentation that we've just treated. We recommend an SPF 30 broad spectrum sunscreen to be applied during the treatment regimen. I think the most that I like about using the PicoFractional is its ease of use. The fact that you have very little downtime and there's a high level of patient satisfaction. That's kind of a funny thing because there's so many treatments you can do with it, and I find that each treatment has its own specific place and time to be able to do it. So I would say that I use all of them. We get very favorable feedback on the treatment with the PiCo4 fractional. One of the main things is that there's very little downtime, so people are able to go back and live their regular life and get back to things without having to stay out of the limelight, out of the sun, out of going to work, and so forth. We found that 4 weeks is an appropriate amount of time. That sort of starts the collagen renewal process and actually get it into full swing with regular maintenance treatments after that. The PiCo4 is excellent for maintenance procedures. We can use the PiCo4 as a standalone maintenance procedure for the fractional, but additionally, we can also use it after more aggressive procedures such as the CO2 or even resurfix down the road. I think the biggest thing is customer satisfaction. I also think that it's also important to note that the ease of use and the lack of downtime really goes far in convincing your patients that it's the right thing for them to do. I think one of the things that stands out with the PiCo4 fractional as well is that we're able to use two specific wavelengths. We can use the 1064 nanometer, plus we can use the 532 nanometer. So we're able to address dermal conditions and dermal toning, and also we're able to address epidermal pigmentation as well.
The condition I came to treat was slight skin toning and a little bit of pigmentation. During the treatment, I thought it would be painful, but it wasn't at all. I felt a little tingling experience, and that's it. After the treatment, my skin felt a bit reddish, but it passed within a few hours. I would really recommend this treatment to others. I was a bit scared at the beginning, but it was really quick and painless, and I already feel a difference.